Hey everybody, this is Dave Robb from Break My Legs, and today's video is The Strange Tale of Make Me Taller and Dr. Amir Sarin. For those of you who aren't familiar with Dr. Sarin is an orthopedic surgeon out of New Delhi, India. He has laid claim to having performed over 3,000 cosmetic limb lengthening surgeries in his 20-plus year career. Dr. Sarin first came to my attention in 2015 when I discovered a limb lengthening forum called Make Me Taller. It was a forum that had patient reviews, diaries, and an index of all the current limb lengthening surgeons. It was the most popular forum for limb lengthening of its day. Dr. Sarin was definitely the most popular of the surgeons on the forum. This is because 1, he was the cheapest, 2, he did the highest volume of surgeries, and the third reason Dr. Sarin was the most popular surgeon on the forum is because he was making payments to the moderator. Yes, you heard that right. It ended up being a huge scandal. Apparently, Sarin was paying the moderator money to promote his surgery, run fake patient diaries, and deflect negative comments about him from the forum. Anyone who was critical or complained too much about Dr. Sarin was banned from the Make Me Taller forum. At this time, in 2015, the most frequent type of limb lengthening surgery was tibia lengthening with a Ilizarov ring. Dr. Sarin made his money through sheer volume of surgeries, and he accommodated his patients in a huge dorm he referred to as the guest house. He might have anywhere upwards of 30 to 50 patients recovering in the guest house at any time. His practice was so horribly understaffed, I believe that he only had a handful of physical therapists to tend upwards to 50 patients. He would only make rounds of his patients once a week, at which time they were allowed to voice any complaints or complications they were having. Common complaints were infection around the fixator pins, busted pins, non-union or uneven lengthening. Being these were external devices, they had to be manually turned by hand with a key. Another problem that made things so much worse was that he encouraged his patients to lengthen up to 8 centimeters on the tibia if he so desired. The conventional wisdom was that the limit should be set at 5 centimeters. This caused many unnecessary cases of duck ass, ballerina foot, and X-legs. From over-lengthening, many of these cases caused permanent deformities. Here's a posted case history. Poster says, I would normally not give detailed medical advice on an open forum, but you need to have those legs attended to. You have bilateral non-unions in evolution, possibly with dead bone ends and plates that will fail at some point. You need proper fixation, bone debridement, and grafting as soon as possible. We do this sort of thing regularly. Send me an email. So this is a picture of the patient's bones, and the patient said, "I have paid $17,500 for this. No lengthening, and the correction is awful. Dr. Sarin has fixed some deformities, but he has made new ones, and I have non-union." These outcomes and situations were not all that uncommon for Dr. Sarin. He's still practicing medicine and performing limb lengthening surgeries today, but he has more or less drifted into obscurity. The Make Me Taller Forum was disbanded several years ago because of corruption and a tainted reputation. So that's the strange tale of Make Me Taller and Dr. Amir Sarin. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please press like if you liked it, and please subscribe. I should have another video coming out really soon.